Good afternoon, guys. Well, just an update of my second workshop. Well, it's messy, I know, but let me show you my computer. Awesome. My other computer. Well, it is actually for a customer, so I fixed it. Just had to do reinstall and stuff like that. My security cam. Well, a lot of junk. Oh, radio, my robot. Only the problem is the battery is drained. This remote control. Left, I mean forward, backward, right, left. So I have to charge that one. A bag full of products, €3.50 a kilo. Trash. You still have to throw away computers for the build. Some power supplies, system cases, CD-ROM drive, DVD drives, some cables, some cards, video cards, some hard disk, my move out cover. Well, my other computer, I don't know if it works. It's weird. No image. Oh, I see. Look. Well, this is a special casing. I got two computers, this one and that one. This runs Windows 7, that's Windows XP. Look. PC2, this is my own computer. Windows 7. And PC1 is that one. Look. So you can switch. Awesome, right? So it's working, I know. So yeah, the customer is a ghost hunter. Well, I'm inspired in that too, so fun. Oh yeah, Holland, we got a wiki. Well yeah, this is my internet splitter. This is the smaller version. First I had a bigger one. It was what I had first, the one large, and now it's that one small. Still have to hook up this screen, so for the customers, stuff like that. I better recharge a large speaker. Still working, but it doesn't give a lot of sound. And laptop of a customer. The one of the this one is broken on the left, so I have to fix it to see how I do it. A lot of RAMs and stuff like that. Jeez, that but this is how my customer thing look like. Payment stuff. Wow, some laptops. Behind there is a lot of junk. So this is my workshop, yeah. Well, I will pass the building fit for building and computer after this short tour. And that I'll upload on YouTube, of course. So okay, well, I now will insert the computer building video. Yeah, it is little thing is missing, the booting of the computer, but the basics is there. So alright guys, thanks. Well, good afternoon guys. It's pretty bad weather outside, so you can't see it anymore because it's windy and stuff like that. But I had a request of some different people asking about a bit about computer building. So, well, first of all, we need to list what we want to use. We're going to use the main board. It's a Pentium 4 3 GHz. This one is a 265 MB video card, 512 MB memory, 1 SD reader, 200 hard disk, one of 250 Gs and one from 120 Gs, and DVD drive, and power supply, the front panel, the case, the anti-electric static discharge bracelet, some screws over here and over here in brackets, and first of all, the building, you're going to need an anti-cyclic discharge. You just put it on your anchor like so. You need to ground it, so let's see, you can use the power supply for discharge, or pretty much connect with the ground. I grounded the base of that, but you can also ground yourself to the casing. So let's start. Oh yeah, also you need some EDA cables, so let's start now. Alright, we start placing the main board. Be very gentle, not to scrape your main board. This is any important part, so be careful what you're doing, or else you will ruin the main board. Listen, don't shuffle. Alright, now I'm going to screw it in place with the screws. So I will screw the main board in place and go back. Alright, now we got the main board in, and well, you have to be very careful. Just the USB 1 will be connected down below over there. Always. Oh, wait a sec. Wait a sec. It should. Oh no, wait. Here's a small nip on it. Nipple here. It will be dropped in space over there. Just pull it in. Put it in. Well, you will see it's all in place over there. Awesome. So we continue with the kind wire. Just connect it. Don't pretend it. Just connect it over here. Then we have another wire. It's a bit stuck over here, but whatever. So just connect it. So good. Just a moment, I go back. The main was one matter with 8 screws, by the way. So I'm going to flip the case in. Take the ground and put it in front of here, because we're going to place the SD reader wire in first. Up. It should pop in. Like so. But in this case, it isn't on the right spot. There it is. Alright. And you put the cover, this one, for here, to keep it in place. 2 screws, of course. So I screwed it down and get back. Now we're going to insert the hard drives. First comes on over here. Should be popped in easily, but I have to push the other way. That's one. The second of 250 G's up there, like so. Now we're going to CD-ROM. Put it. No. In there. Be back. So, okay. Yeah, before we put the power supply in and the front panel stuff, going to connect the cables. So this is the CD-ROM cable from Asus that will be running off the main board up to the drive here, and will be connected one certain way. Use the middle connection, or else, well, it's just easier if you use the middle one. If you got one CD-ROM drive, don't forget to put the CD-ROM drive on slave right now. The hard drives. Okay, the blue one always comes on the main board, so the jump setting on the first hard drive has to be master. The jump setting on the second hard drive is slave. So you will get working. So I connect the cable. I connected the CD-ROM drive with the white connection on the main board, and the hard drive connected on the blue connection on the main board. Blue is hard drive and white is CD-ROM drive. So now I connect to that, as you see. Now I'm going to insert the hard drive, and then I get back to you. I mean power supply. You saw you insert the hard drive, and hard drive, I mean the power supply, screwed down with fast screws. Well, there has to be a back plate on here, but I didn't have the right one laying around, so, and the customer also didn't want that one, so yep. My memory is almost full, so just run all the cables through here, and I get back, and then we're going to. Alright, I freshed up my memory, so we can start. For the easiest, right, you put the flat. That's easy. Here. Alright, got all cables. The power supply. So you're going to ground yourself again. I use the grill. Alright. You have still one cable not connected, and that's the SD reader. So you searching, you see the connection. You're searching for the right spot. I had it connected on the surged area. Yeah, and surged area was over here. At least that's where I had it. Wait a sec. There's just in one spot where you can mount this one, but I don't know for sure. But did I? Oh, I know it again. We didn't connect it because it wouldn't fit. So yeah, just because the customer wanted in, but yeah, I can't help him because I can't connect that thing. So alright, we're just going to connect it somewhere over here. So that's right. So now we're going to connect the power supply and such. We got a power supply over here. Power supply with connector and small 4 connector. Well, this for 2 types, but we only need the small type. So this side, so just hook it up on the power connector. Then you're going to search for the yellow black cable. It's a 4 connector. So just hook it in the square area. Okay. Now we're going to run some cables through the necessary parts. The first cable will be running through the hard drives, and this one will be running all the way up there to the drive. So first of all, we're going to hook this all. One. Oh yeah, by the way, the below hard drive I put it on master, and the front cable select, so you can select it. The computer will choose. Up, two, and we don't need that side. And then we got a cable. Not in use, but are we going to use it? Yes, to connect it. That is done. There you go. And your computer is done. That's it. But we're going to end with the video card. Because he ordered a video card, so he gets a video card. Well, so that's how it is. So, I'm going to boot it. Right, two things before I can boot it, okay? I didn't show you connecting the power switch, the LED, hard drive LED and the power LED, because it's different at each type of computer. So it's just standing on the main board, so yeah. Okay. And there's a last thing I'm going to. So okay, I'm going to hook it up and boot it.